Hello, little friends! This is Mommy's Art School, and today we are gonna draw a tree house. So we are going to start with the ground, doing little waves up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, and just have a little fun. Yay! This is like the little grass. Then we are going to do a trunk of the tree. Ready? And we start with a curve. And another curve in the opposite side. Great. Now we are going to do a line that touches the little curves. Now we are going to draw a platform with one line, another two little lines, and another line joining them together. And this is like the floor of the tree house, the first floor. Now continue the trunk. There you go. Now this tree has another platform in the background. And this one is going to go with another line that goes all the way out and comes back in. Then imagine goes all the way back and comes out and touches the trunk. Okay? Great! Let's continue with the trunk. Going up again. Continue going up, and up, and finish with a small curve. Now, this is going to be the roof of our tree house. One curve in one side, one curve in the other side. And yes, this tree house can have the branches going through the roof. Yay! And there is a V, and you can close all the way here. And a V in the other side as well. There you go, another little curve and join with the roof line. So we can go this way, and then we can close the top of the trunk with a small curve. Great! So now we're gonna do the double line of the roof, and it's okay because also we can fill it in later, and later we're gonna pass with a thicker marker as well. Great! Let's fill it in. And now we're gonna do the cutie eyes for this tree house. Cutie eye, cutie eye. Now, normally we do a bigger circle and a smaller circle, bigger and a smaller circle. Fill it in. Haha, this is so cute. Great. So now you can also draw the mouth, a small curve and a smaller curve and a little tongue. Fill in inside the mouth right here. Now, imagine that we're gonna do the structure of the walls. So it's like little branches. You do like these curved lines, like so. And then do a little V at the top that connects with the roof. This you can do exactly the same in the opposite side. It's like a mini tree branch that you put on the other side. Great! Now, let's do a small ladder so that you can go up and down from your tree house. Yay! Now, let us do a double line and another double line to do the structure of the ladder. Now we can have the steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we're going to have a fun slide coming down from the treehouse. Whee! And another line. Whee! And let's close here the grass or the ground. Great. Now you have the first and second floor of your house. So for now, we are just going to draw it with a thicker marker. Fill it all the edges of the house. Great! Now let's color it. I'm gonna use brown for the trunk. You can take your time. Go and hug a tree today. And we're gonna use the light brown for the rest of the wood. For the platforms, for the ladder. And let's use blue for the slide. It looks like water. Great. Let's do a little tongue. Wait. And let's complete here the little branches of the tree. And the grass. Green. Go and put your little feet on the grass today. Gee! Bravo, everybody! This is the Treehouse. And remember to like and subscribe so you never miss another adventure with Mommy's Art School. Ciao, ciao!